Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to place an order on Talabat app. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Talabat application, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the Talabat app? You can get it on Apple Store or Google Play Store rather. Now this is dependent on the device that you use. Launch any of the applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Talabat and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing, it's going to take you right into the sign-up page for Talabat, where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Now, whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time on Talabat. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to place an order on Talabat app. So from this homepage, you can see food, Talabat mart, groceries, health and beauty, flowers. So let's say I want to get flowers. So I'm just going to click on flowers. And this is quickly flowers. So these are like shop by store. So these are all the stores that provide flowers. So let's go with quickly flowers and see what they have. So I love this large red rose bouquet. I'm just going to click on that. So I need one. Any special requests or notes? No. So I'm just going to click on the add to basket button. And you will clear your baskets, which key tool do you want that? I'm going to click on start. Then view basket. And here is my basket. So over here, do you have any special requests? No. Save an order means you have voucher. All right, add a voucher code if you want to. And then the payment summary, that is it. So go ahead and click on checkout and it takes you right into the checkout page. So over here, do you want to change your delivery address? You can click on change. Pay with, add a card if you want to, or if you want to pay with cash. You can add a new card or you can pay with cash and go ahead and click on place order. And once you click on place order, you're going to be debited and your order is going to be processed. So this is pretty much how you can place an order on the Talabat app. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.